2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 cells which are working from 40, not that bad. I will further test them, and these are for trash, or you can rest seed and try to recover them, but I don't recommend that. Okay, let's clean them. When I clean from nickel with these small scissors, I like to hit positive and negative to flatten the sharp parts of nickel strip. So from this Bosch power pack I got 24 cells which are promising. I will further test them with my Lithocalas Li 500. The point of this video is that this power pack was looking really bad when I was measuring it with multimeter, but it was not promising, but it yielded quite a lot of cells considering that it was looking bad. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned something today. Until next time, see ya.